Fuck. Fucking fuck! 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 What the hell, you fucking... Dude! Again, how did that guy not see me? Wasn't even his fucking turn to go. I gotta calm down now. Damn it, that may have ended my ride because the stress may push me over the edge to the point where I can't actually ride my damn bike now. My chest starts bothering me, I have to go home. I was being attentive. I was about to throw my arm out to let that guy know I was going to signaling, and then he just starts to go and I'm already going. Jesus Christ, man. I didn't even have a chance to throw my arm out. Anxiety medication, don't fail me now. You're in my system. Keep me calm, please. That guy had to have seen me. The sun was in his face, but I was between him and the sun. There's no way he could have missed me. I looked at him. He looked a little glazed. His eyes looked a little glassy. I think that fool started doing some day drinking and definitely shouldn't be driving around. I'm not just making that up, man. I swear to God. He just looked right at me, and it's like he didn't even recognize the fact that I was there. Oh, Jesus Christ, what are you doing, man? Fuck stick? What the? You see that guy? What the fuck? I don't know if the camera picked that up. I almost got hit by a big ass black truck. Jesus Christ. And this guy's coming out. Go ahead, go ahead. Are you? You're welcome. So I don't like that intersection right there because you have to pull so far out to see anything. I figure if someone almost hit me, I might as well respond in kindness and let somebody go. Ooh, I hit that a little bit too hard. You coming across? Oh, man. Are you going? Oh, wait. Run! Wait. I'm sorry about that. Some people are just a-holes, you know? Hello? What the hell is wrong with people? How are you doing today? I'm trying not to get hit. You see that red truck? What the hell? I had to brake. What's going on with people in trucks lately, man? Come on. So I broke a spoke on my ride yesterday. I actually heard it happen when it happened and confirmed it when I got home. I looked at the wheel. It's like, oh, well, that sucks, but it's only one, so it's been like the pattern lately. I'll break one spoke and then it stays one spoke for like 2 or 3 weeks, and then another one will break and then I fix it. Motherfucker! The fuck's your problem? Sorry, I was yelling at a truck. I guess maybe that person with that black truck's related to the other black truck from yesterday. I don't know. They could be. They both drive like shit. God, where's a cop when you need one? That would have been an instant ticket for that asshole. I was already feeling stressed today. I woke up with a really bad headache. borderline migraine. It was almost a panic-inducing pain, like in the back of my head. I was like, oh my God. It took like about a half hour for the pain to start to go away, and then it's still lingering right now. Like if I jerk my head too much, it kind of hurts. So I got to be careful not to do that. I was almost tempted to follow that truck, but then I realized, Larry, that's a big-ass 4x4 truck. You're a big guy, but that's still a truck, and there's no telling what kind of weaponry that guy may have on him. He's a pretty bold asshole. He probably has a gun in his truck. It's like, don't follow the truck. That's why we're still going in this direction and not currently heading west, chasing a truck.